Do you spend hours pulling time logs and task reports from ClickUp, formatting them into emails, and sharing updates with your team? Well, let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you how to automate the entire ClickUp time tracking and task performance reporting process with an N8N workflow. Let's see how it works. The workflow starts with a schedule trigger. You can configure it to run daily at a specific time so reports arrive before stand-ups, or weekly for broader reviews without any manual effort. Next, it fetches all sprint lists from your ClickUp workspace. This provides sprint ID, names, start dates, and due dates. Think of this as the raw input for the rest of the process. The next node verifies that sprint lists actually exist. If lists exist, it moves forward. If no lists exist, it exits gracefully. This prevents errors and ensures the workflow only runs when there's real sprint data to work with. The workflow then looks through all sprints to find the one that's currently active, and if no active sprint is found, it picks the most recent sprint. Now it pulls all tasks from the identified sprint. This includes task details, assignees, deadlines, story points, statuses, and progress metrics. This becomes the primary data set for analytics, ensuring you have complete visibility across team members and scope. Next, the workflow processes the retrieved data into meaningful insights. It calculates completion rates, compares estimated hours versus actual logged hours, and flags overdue or at-risk tasks. The processed data is then passed into a formatter node that creates a polished HTML report. This report includes sprint progress with team and individual performance metrics. Finally, the formatted report is sent via email to managers and stakeholders. The email subject includes the report type and date, while the body contains the full HTML summary with tables and sections neatly formatted. Within seconds, team members receive a ready-to-use performance snapshot. If you manage projects in ClickUp and want hands-free visibility into team performance, this workflow saves you hours every week. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this. And if you want us to tailor this flow to your use case, drop a comment with your requirements. See you in the next video.